more hens the better. It takes a village to raise a child, so it will also take a village to plan. Therefore, for our Before we begin, this video is in collaboration with the Cupcake Avenue. We actually used this service for our child's first birthday party, and I can tell you, the cupcakes were so delicious. The Cupcake Avenue, all types of cupcakes, for all occasions should you choose. 10% off your first order of 12 cupcakes. Quote Simply Oot 2022 when ordering. Happy shopping! It is exciting when attending children's birthday party. But, however, the journey behind the preparation is worth the journey. We have recently celebrated our son's 3rd birthday party this year, and I'm going to share with you 13 preparation ideas to get you started before having that big day and that amazing feeling for your child and your family. So the first thing to do when preparing your child's birthday party is setting a budget. It's very important to set a budget, especially in this climate, in this pandemic, in this struggle. So setting a budget is very important. Our budget was set at a price catering to the children that are actually going to come. So we first had children numbered in place, and then we set the budget. So we basically prepared before setting the budget. So it's very important to set a budget and try to stick to it. Should you go over the budget, just try to bring it down a little bit. Choosing a set date. It's important to choose a date that you also feel the guests will also be able to attend, and also is linked to your child's birthday party or date of birth per se. So setting a date is very important. Timing is the third aspect to consider. With young children, especially under the age of 5, 3 hours is enough for them because they'll get tired, they'll get overwhelmed, and it will just be a lot for them. So with my little one, we set 3 hours a maximum, and that was it. We also created a guest list. We ensured to invite children his age, and we invited children from his nursery because he knows them, they play together, so it'll be more relaxing for him and the children that are going to be coming. So the guest list was mainly children of his nursery. Choosing a venue. We chose outdoor space. We chose the park because it's open space. COVID will be up in the air. Children can run. With children, they love to run, they love to explore, so that was perfect for them. So we chose the park to have the birthday party for our child. Our activities included such bubble guns, pinata, balloon animals. So my child loves zebra, so we had zebra for him. We also had tattoos in place. We also had, well, we didn't do this actually, but you can also hire a child's entertainment should this be something that you're into. But however, the park was enough entertaining. They had a swing, they had the slide, they had the train, so the park was entertainment for them. Ordering supplies is very important. We ordered cakes, food, drinks, soft drinks, water, and we had the party bags with some gifts inside for the ending of the party, which I'll discuss further on in this video. We did not choose a theme for our child. He actually chose his own theme, which was a zebra, which he is obsessed with. So we ensured to incorporate what he would want in his special day, and it was a zebra theme. So basically an animals theme was what he wanted to do, so which was really good because he had a say of what he wanted in his party, and we cannot say no to that because at the end of the day it's his special day and it's his choice. Number 10 is checking RSVP, making sure that people are actually going to attend, especially if you have a budget. You want to know how much people are going to come so that your budget is set accordingly, but also have etc. item should anyone just turn unexpectedly. So RSVP is very important, and also check your list, who's coming and who's not coming. It's very important to have a support system when planning your child's birthday party. The more people, the merrier, more hens, the better. It takes a village to raise a child, so it will also take a village to plan. Therefore, For our child's birthday party, we had a good friend who's also a party planner. She was at the beginning of the party and at the end of the party. She organized everything for us. She did everything amazingly. So it's also important to have that in place, because you know, the more help the better, and you never know when, you know, things can go left. You've got someone there to obviously watch your children. Number 12 is closing of the party. So bringing everything to an end. Make sure you have your gift bags ready to hand out to the children. Whatever you choose to put in your gift bag is up to you. I will link a description below of what I had placed in our child's gift bag to give you some ideas. Finally, the last one is relaxing and giving yourself a pat on the back. We did it. You did it. Amazing. You made a special moment for your child. Amazing for them. And last but not least, gain permission. Should you take any of the children's pictures during the event, should you video any of the children, it's always important to gain children's permission. Our children, what we did when everyone gathered up, everyone was ready, I stood up and I said to everyone, with your permission, can we please take pictures of your children, and we'll be taking videos. I am happy to share it because we have a WhatsApp group, so each parent had the pictures of their children, and they were very happy with that, and it just gives the parents a bit of an ease that they know where their picture of their children is going to. Another advice is that do not display children's pictures on any social media. With our children, we don't display his pictures on any social media. It's just to, you know, gain his privacy as well, so we don't share any of his pictures on any social media. However, should families gain some of his pictures, we will give it to the families, and again, we will tell them not to share it on social medias. I know this has gone off topic, but I am high when it comes to privacy and children's permission as well. So I honestly hope you enjoyed this video. Should you have any concerns, please don't forget to leave a comment in the description below, and we will get back to you. And thank you for listening. Bye bye again.